Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app, says its head. Current adjustments at Instagram present a major shift away from an easy photo sharing website. In actuality, Instagram has been about much more than simply duck-face selfies and breakfast photographs for years now. Trend professionals use it to speak, manufacturers use it to promote, and influencers use it to make a residing. However, now, Instagram appears to be consolidating these adjustments and admitting the reality. Pondering of Instagram as a spot, the place you may submit photographs, is one factor. However, pondering of it as a strong algorithm that feeds in your information and is sensible and sufficiently subtle to affect your conduct is one thing completely different. No longer for pictures. Final week, Mosseri tweeted a video, successfully saying that Instagram goes all in towards TikTok. Mosseri outlines the platform's priorities over the subsequent 12 months. At Instagram, we're all the time attempting to construct new options that assist you get essentially the most out of your expertise. Proper now, we're centered on 4 key areas: creators, video, procuring, and messaging. Briefly, Instagram will deal with what it was already on the best way to turning into a platform for leisure and promoting. Customers will see many extra suggestions. As an alternative of a timeline exhibiting photographs and movies from mates interspersed with adverts, you'll now get a extra TikTok-like expertise. The emphasis will likely be on full-screen, immersive movies, supposed to compete with TikTok and YouTube, which Mosseri calls enormous opponents. Mosseri's video is stuffed with element, and however one quote exhibits the change. "We're not a photo-sharing app," says Mosseri. For entrepreneurs, folks go to Instagram to be entertained, for procuring, and product analysis. 70% of procuring lovers flip to Instagram for product discovery, says Instagram's own Spiel. For manufacturers, it's not an enormous leap to see this as broadly much like TV, solely with the concentrating on prospects of FB's monitoring machine. Instagram sees it that method too. 3 of the 4 key areas he talked about, creators, video, procuring, and messaging, are about branding and gross sales. 4, for those who additionally rely messaging as a method for manufacturers and potential consumers to speak. The adjustments listed here are already occurring. You've likely been in a position to log in and examine your Instagram feed within the browser, however now you may finally post from the browser, too. This can be a minor added comfort for you and me, however for manufacturers and companies, utilizing a PC as an alternative of a cell phone makes managing an Instagram gross sales empire a lot simpler. One other change is hyperlinks. It has traditionally been troublesome or unattainable so as to add clickable hyperlinks to your posts, however now customers with 10,000 followers, or verified customers, can insert links into Instagram stories. These adjustments make it clear that Instagram is optimizing for its heaviest creators, whether or not they're the massive manufacturers and advertisers themselves or the influencers that share their merchandise. What does this imply for you? Skilled photographers can promote their work the identical method that distributors can push their yard pizza ovens and ultra-comfortable pants. However, for those who are an images fanatic, or quite only a one that desires to share photographs with the world, then Instagram isn't meant for you anymore. You'll be able to nonetheless use that method, after all, however reaching your viewers, even when that viewers contains a couple of family and friends members, will likely be tougher. Because of the brand new emphasis on video and suggestions, the beloved Instagram timeline will not be round. Not in the best way we would like. These adjustments make it clear that Instagram is optimizing for its heaviest creators. There are many alternate locations to share and examine photographs. 500px and Flickr are each nice examples, however the issue is, the viewers is on Instagram. Even for those who don't care about getting an enormous follower rely, you're going to need to persuade family and friends to enroll in these providers, after which hope that they go to them. All whereas Instagram does its greatest to develop into a complete leisure vacation spot that retains customers caught within the app. We've arrived at NWeb monoculture. We've one most important app for many issues. Amazon for procuring, YouTube for video, and so forth. It was once Instagram for photographs. Perhaps one other app will arrive to fill the hole. Or perhaps private photograph sharing will wither or transfer to FB. Both method, plainly Instagram doesn't care anymore. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.